Did you know that super-polluters are venting an invisible, planet-warming gas into the atmosphere? This gas, methane, is being emitted by the oil and gas industry at levels that far exceed both regulatory limits and industry estimates. Cutting-edge technology like Methane has shone a spotlight on this issue, identifying major methane hotspots in areas such as the Permian Basin, Appalachia Basin, and Utah's Uinta Basin. This invisible threat, methane pollution, traps heat in the atmosphere, contributing significantly to climate change. But this is not just a regional issue. MethaneSat's data paints a global picture, revealing alarming levels of methane emissions far beyond the United States. From the vast oil fields of Turkmenistan to the industrial complexes of Venezuela, this invisible planet-warming gas is being vented into our atmosphere at rates that far exceed regulatory limits. This isn't a single nation's battle or a localized problem. It's a worldwide concern that requires our collective attention and action. Addressing methane emissions is a crucial part of combating the climate crisis. The world is calling for urgent action on methane emissions. A recent UN report underscores the dire need for ramped-up efforts to tackle these emissions, which are a significant driver of global warming. However, a chasm exists between the grand promises made to curb methane emissions and the reality of what's actually being done. Enter the Methane Alert and Response System, or MARS, a tool designed to identify major methane plumes across the globe. But without sufficient responses detailing the causes of these plumes and the actions being taken to address them, MARS alone is not enough. Reducing methane is a crucial step to mitigate global warming. What is being done to hold these super-polluters accountable? That's a question on many minds. In a bold move, the United States has introduced regulations to fine companies for excessive methane emissions, setting the stage for global accountability. The Environmental Protection Agency is spearheading this initiative, with plans to reduce methane pollution significantly. The Super-Emitter program is one of their key strategies, targeting the biggest polluters. Grassroots efforts are also making waves, with campaigns like Methane Hunters advocating for stringent methane control measures. This marks an important step towards incentivizing emission reductions in the oil and gas sector. Join our community of informed citizens, subscribe to your daily dose of news, and be part of the conversation.